Okay, so I've already did one pass. Now I'm going to go a little bit deeper with the rolling machine. Like that. Yeah, so I usually can make two passes to make sure it's deep enough for me to roll it over. That's where I'm at right now. So I'm just doing all the pieces, putting them through, getting them the same depth. And like that.